Today we're going to look at how to turn any object or type into a sticker using the Sticker It action. A special thank you goes out to Steph at the Daily Gigi for the inspiration for these actions. Before you get started, you need to load your actions. Be sure to check out my PDF tutorial on doing that if you don't know how. Let's get started. Here we are in Photoshop Elements. You can see I have my document open with a type layer, and I've typed in the word Sticker It. I've also applied a style to it to give it this striped look. And you can also see up here that my actions have been loaded. I've clicked on the Photo Effects button, and from this drop-down menu, I've chosen the Sticker It PSE action set. In here, I have three choices. I have the lifter, the plane, and the textured versions. You can run either the plane or the textured, and then when you're done, you can choose to lift either one of those. So let's take a look first at the plane action. Click it, make sure your type layer is selected. You can also run this on a photo or any element in your stash that will turn anything into a sticker. And click Apply. We'll get a little message here telling us to make sure that we have our type layer selected. Just press Continue. We're going to be warned here that we're going to be prompted to enter a smoothing amount, an expand amount, which is how thick you want your sticker to be, and another smoothing amount. Just press Continue here. The action's going to start going, and here will come up our smooth selection. Default of 4 has been entered for you. You can change it if you like, and press OK. The next window that comes up will ask us to expand our selection. This is how thick you want your sticker to be. I'm going to change the default of 16 up to 24 and click OK. I'm going to have one more chance to smooth it, and I'm going to accept the default and click OK. Next up, we get a message here telling us that we can choose black or white from the drop-down menu, or any color using the color picker. So I'm going to say Continue, and when the next window comes up, I'm actually going to select Color from the drop-down menu, which will allow me to pick any color I want for my sticker color. And I'm going to pick a cream color here and click OK. And click OK again to apply it. Next up, we're going to be prompted for our blur. This is for the drop shadow, and you can increase or decrease this amount. This will help define how far off the page your sticker is going to set. So let's go with the default amount of 3 and click OK. And that's it. Our action is complete. We have our sticker layer and our shadow layer. So if you prefer to have your shadows a different direction on the page, you can quickly and easily move that shadow layer to a different angle. You can also lock down the transparency and change the color to a different color if you want. And there you go. Now I've made that drop shadow red. That's all there is to the plain version. Now I'm going to show you the textured version. To do that, I'm going to go ahead and delete the layers that we created originally. Turn back on the Sticker It type layer, and I'm going to click Texture It and Apply. We're going to get the same messages we got before, and we're just going to click through and accept the defaults on the smoothing, the expand, smoothing again. Here we can choose again our background color, and this time I'm going to go ahead and do that and let it choose the white, which is our background color. On the next screen, we're going to be able to choose a texture. So I'm going to press Continue, and that's going to bring up the Texturizer. Now here in the Texturizer, you have brick, burlap, canvas, and sandstone as your 4 built-in texture choices. You can pick any one of them you want, and then you can adjust the appearance of it, making it heavier with the relief and making it larger or smaller with the scaling. You can also change your light direction here depending on where your light source on your layout is coming from. When you're happy with the settings, just press OK. This is going to add a little bit of texture to the sticker. Next up, we're going to get a message about the bevel. Press Continue. And here's the little tricky part. You actually have to turn the bevel on in Photoshop Elements. In Photoshop CS, that will already be selected for you. Here you can turn it on and enter a very small number. I think a 2 is a really good number here. And press OK. That adds a little bit of bevel to our sticker. And if we zoom in here, you can see we have a nice little bevel and texture there on our sticker. That's what it looks like at 100%. Once we've created our sticker with either the plain or textured action, we can lift it up off the page a little bit using the lifter action. Make sure the sticker layer is selected, click the lifter action, and click Apply. Click OK to accept the message, and click OK for the blur amount. You can adjust it if you want. And there you go. The sticker is slightly lifted up off the page. It looks a little bit more realistic. So that's another option there that you have. And again, you can run this action on any object. It doesn't have to be text. Thank you for trying out Sticker It and for watching this tutorial. Be on the lookout for more tutorials from Studio Wendy at Scrapbook Graphics.